We'll guide you through how to use magnetic lasso tool in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your preferred web browser by double-clicking its icon on your computer. After the browser opens, click the address bar, type Photopea, and press enter on your keyboard. From the search results, choose the top result, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, to open the editor. Before starting any edits, make sure the photo you want to edit is already prepared and easy to find. Next, click the Open from Computer option to access your image. Locate the prepared photo, click it, and open it inside Photopea. When the editing page finishes loading, press Ctrl+0 to fit the canvas neatly on your screen. Look at the toolbar on the left side of the workspace. Find the magnetic lasso tool and click it to activate it. Change the tool mode to Unite. Begin selecting the object whose background you want to remove. Hold the mouse button and drag your cursor carefully around the object. Move slowly so the selection follows the edges accurately and produces cleaner results. Continue dragging until you return to your starting point, making sure the beginning and ending points connect to complete the selection. If the selected area looks accurate enough, then you have successfully used the magnetic lasso tool. This tool is useful for many editing tasks, including removing backgrounds, creating masks, and making precise selections for additional adjustments. By completing these steps, you have learned how to use the magnetic lasso tool in Photopea successfully. Practice with different images to improve your control and accuracy over time. Objects with clear edges are usually easier to trace, while detailed subjects may require slower movements and additional patience. If you make a mistake during the selection, simply undo the last action and continue outlining the object carefully. Taking your time helps create smoother edges and better final results.